10 things you need to know before starting sheep farming. Understand the basics. Learn about sheep breeds, their care, feeding, and health needs. Some breeds are wool breeds, meat breeds, and dual-purpose breeds. Location. Ensure that your land is suitable for sheep farming. Sheep need a safe, dry, and well-drained environments. Purpose. Decide on the purpose of your sheep farming, whether for meat, wool, dairy, or a combination. This will influence your breed selection and care practices. Size. You'll need a minimum of 1 to 2 acres per 10 to 15 sheep. More space is required if you are running a larger farm. Fencing. Sheep are excellent grazers and need strong fencing. Electric or woven wire fences are good options to keep them secure. Shelter. While sheep are hardy animals, they still need protection from extreme weather. A simple barn or shed will suffice for shelter. Fencing. As mentioned, secure fencing is critical to keep sheep in and predators out. Feeding equipment, feeders for hay and grain, as well as water troughs. Healthcare tools, needles, vaccines, dewormers, hoof trimmers, and other basic veterinary supplies. Breed selection. Choose a breed suited to your farming goals. For example, if you want to raise sheep for meat, breeds like Suffolk or Texel are good. If you want wool, consider Merino or Romney. Buy from reputable sellers. Purchase sheep from healthy, reputable breeders. Ensure they are free from diseases. Grass grazing. Sheep are grazers, so rotational grazing is important to maintain healthy pastureland. Supplemental feed. Depending on the climate, you may need to supplement their diet with hay, grains, or minerals, especially during winter or when pasture growth is low. Vaccinations. Sheep need regular vaccinations to protect against common diseases, like clostridial diseases. Deworming. Regular deworming is necessary, especially if you are raising sheep in a high parasite environment. Breeding. You can either buy a ram or use artificial insemination. Plan breeding seasons carefully to avoid excessive lambing during harsh seasons. Lambing. Ensure your lambing facilities are ready and have proper care in place for new lambs, like warm bedding, proper nutrition, and veterinary care if needed. Direct sales. Sell lamb, wool, or dairy products directly to consumers, restaurants, or farmers markets. Local butchers. If you're selling meat, a local butcher might be a good option. Export. For wool, explore textile companies or businesses that use wool for products. Keep detailed records of breeding, health treatments, feed costs, and lamb production to make decisions and improve your farm management. Sheep farming is an ongoing learning process. Join local farming communities, attend agricultural workshops, and stay updated on new farming techniques and sheep management practices.